Hi everyone, my name is Ravi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel, I have created new playlist of IoT project. In this playlist, we will run from the basics of IoT project and see some practical implementation, and I'll also share some proven techniques that I learned from some resources. Using of it, you will also able to make your own project just like mine, even if you don't have good knowledge of Arduino IDE. I'm making this project with the help of random net tutorials. It's give me a ebook on his website. I'll show you. I'll also share it to the links in the description below. So let's get started. For downloading, you need to click the link in the description below. For downloading the ebook, you have to verify your email account to the website. Once you're done, you have to click the free download button so that you will get the email to your registered email account. Email you got from the email something like this. In my case, I'll show you my Gmail account. Here, I got the mail from the random net tutorial. I'll just click to the latest one. Click to the link. Here, there are 3 books available in this website. If you want to start from the basics of Arduino project, you have to download 18 plus Arduino project. In my case, I don't have a ESP32 board, so I'll just downloaded the ePDF for the ESP8266. For downloading the ePDF, you have to click on a free download button. Once it downloaded the zip file, you need to extract the zip file and open the PDF file.
This ebook will teach you the step-by-step procedure for making the web server. This ebook will also give you the basic details of ESP8266 and a specification of it. This ebook will also give the pinout of knowledge. Here, you need to know what is Arduino IDE and how to download it. Here is the link in the ePDF. You can download it from here, and I'll also give it to the link in my description below. As depending on your operating system, you have to download software accordingly.
After successfully downloading the file, you just need to open the folder and double click on the application section. Arduino software will be open something like that. For making the connection with ESP8266, you just need to paste the URL to the additional board manager. Here, I am taking the blinking LED example code that is mentioned in ePDF.
Before you uploading the board, you need to select the board manager for ESP8266. Search the ESP8266 board from here. In my case, I have already installed the ESP8266 board.
Now, our software is ready to upload.
For copy the program file, you need to open PDF to Chrome browser because the GitHub link is not working properly. Here, you have to copy the main program file just like this. Open the new program file, select all and paste it from here. You need to make small changes in your code. SSID of your router or hotspot. In my case it's UNet, and password. That's two minor changes are in this code. This is for two variable program. Make sure your Node MCU and your PC or laptop are connected via USB, and also select the COM port if you have multiple devices are connected to your PC or laptop. Once you uploaded the code, you just need to open the serial monitor and find the IP of web server. You just copy the IP. Yeah, we are done. As you can see, we have successfully created the web server, and now let's see the Node MCU side. After successfully downloading the program, your board is ready to use. Now, you can also connect to your Node MCU to Traveling Adapter. As you can see, I have connected my Node MCU to Traveling Adapter. Let's see in action. As you can see, our web server and Node MCU are working perfectly good. If you like my video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification of my new video. Thank you so much for watching my video.